Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Middleton Motorsports. Doug is going to be installing a 3.8 liter Whipple Supercharger on this Raptor R.
All right, so as we all know, the Raptor R starts out with a 5.2 liter supercharged V8, which is derived from the GT500. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna pull this supercharger off and install this brand new 3.8 liter Whipple Supercharger. This thing is gonna crank out some power, let me tell you what. Our Outlaws are getting the Ford Performance Whipple variant of the 3 liter supercharger, and this takes the 3 liter and bumps up to another level. I kind of wish I had a 3 liter to compare it to size-wise.
Right. No,
I mean,
I
these
don't, right?
things are just, these 3.8s are just tall.
And the Raptor R, or in the F-150s, it's nice because the engine does seem to sit a little bit lower than like a GT or the GT500s. It's going to be tight though.
It's definitely going to be tight.
He also brought us, what's this over here?
This is a Mishimoto coolant reservoir. So instead of the plastic, this big old bubble thing, you're going to open the hood, and this is the first thing you're going to see. And then creeping over this is going to be that big 3.8 Whipple.
The build is outrageous. That pre-runner look with a little bit of a lip in the front, a little dip in the rear, Baja lights, custom bumpers. It looks sick. We also have, in a couple weeks, another Raptor R 2023 coming in for a Whipple Supercharger. And I think you all know that there's only a handful of folks out there across the country that's willing to upgrade a Raptor R with a 3.8 liter supercharger. Base, the 2023s give 700 horsepower. I think the 2024s, they bumped it up to 710 horsepower at the crank. With the 3.8 liter supercharger, you're pushing up to 950 horsepower at the crank. Our F-150 Outlaw program has taken off. We are having trouble getting the 2024s with the Coyote in the single cab, but we're also doing the crew cab. Check out our website at middletonmotorsports.com for all of the packages that we're providing on these outstanding F-150s. Right now, we have just sourced a 2023 F-150 single cab base, but we are outfitting it with our package, our cosmetic package, positioning it ready for the Whipple, but we're not going to put the Whipple in it just yet. But as you can see, we are putting on the 22-inch wheels. We are dropping it 3 inches in the front, 5 inches in the rear, and we are going to be blacking this thing out, other than, of course, this awesome white color. Just picture this, you know, 2 pipes coming out right here. Our Outlaw comes in 3 different packages. The street package, which is basically the cosmetics, it's the drop, it's the wheels, it's the blackout package, it's the badging. We have the sleeper, which is a base steely wheeled, base single cab, or XLT we could do as well, crew cab, and that comes with the Whipple Supercharger only, and that's about $14,000. And then we have our Hammer Sport package, which is about $23,000, which comes with all of the cosmetic goodies, the lowering, the exhaust, the blackout package, the badges, and most importantly, that 3.0 Whipple Supercharger, any F-150 from 2021 to 2024. You can buy the truck from us, or you can bring the truck to us. We have a line of Outlaw merch. Check out our website in our shop for sweatshirts, t-shirts, phone cases, whatever you may want. Please like and subscribe, middletonmotorsports.com. We got a car and a dyno right now. It's a lot of fun here. Thanks for watching.